What's up, Jasper?
These things are so stupid, it's so hard to connect. I wish there was another way.
Well, I have a better way. Anderson connectors.
Now let's go over how to use Anderson connectors. First, select the appropriate connector size for your wires and application needs. Sizes range from 15 to 350 amps. Start by stripping the insulation off the wire ends, leaving about 1/4 inch exposed. Insert each wire into the metal contact then crimp it securely for a snug fit. Double check the connection by giving it a gentle pull. Next, slide the crimped contacts into the connector housing until they click into place. Anderson connectors are designed for polarized use, meaning they'll only connect one way, which prevents reverse polarity. To disconnect, simply pull apart the connector. With this quick connect mechanism, they're as easy to disconnect as they are to connect. Traditional connectors can be unreliable due to loose connections, corrosions, and weak materials, often leading to overheating or power failure. Especially in high-demand applications, these connectors can't always handle frequent disconnects and reconnects, making them less durable over time, and just really annoying to connect.
So, ever since I joined robotics 3 years ago, we've had a big issue with connectors. We've used almost every single kind of connector. That was up until last year when we discovered Anderson connectors. So, these handy little things can connect any different way, and we used them for the whole robot last year. So, Anderson connectors were great because they were reliable. The only issue we had with electrical portions were when we didn't use Anderson connectors.
Use Anderson connectors.
Use Anderson connectors! Use Anderson connectors!
Say it, Andreas.
Use Anderson connectors!